In this video, I'm going to show you how you can clear download cache on Steam. So you might want to clear download cache on Steam if you are experiencing any problem, mostly with starting up or launching your games. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and open or launch Steam and then sign in to your account either using the app or on the official Steam web browser. Once you are here, go ahead and click on Steam here, and then from here choose settings. From settings, go ahead and choose downloads, and under downloads you'll be able to see various download settings that you can apply. Under it, if you scroll down, you can see we have this option called clear download cache. We are told here clearing the download cache might resolve issues downloading or starting apps. So if you have been experiencing any of these problems, then just clearing this cache data here will be able to resolve this. So go ahead and clear the cache data, and by clearing cache data you will have fixed any issue with your games or launching your games on Steam. So that's how you can clear download cache on Steam. If you have any other question, can let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.